Hi, welcome to Secrets of Card Magic. My name is Chris Burton, and in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step way of showing you what happens when you get the email to actually downloading it to actually then learning within Secrets of Card Magic. Now, with that said, let's begin. Basically, you get an email, and it will say, "Welcome to Secrets of Card Magic Phase 1," and it will say, "Please click on the link to download Phase 1," or whichever phase you may be on. Now all you have to do is click on the link and it will bring you to the download page, which you can see just here, and you simply click on the download button, and as you can see it changes colour, so it makes it a lot easier to show it's actually you're actually there. Click on that and it will open up, and it's that simple. Basically you've got the file here in front of you now, and it's basically asking you, would you like to save it or run it? Now if you click save, it's going to save it to somewhere on your computer, so just make sure if you've got a folder ready, save it to that file, or just make sure you know where it's being saved, because you don't want to save it and then try and figure out where did it go on my computer. Okay, so what you can do is just click run, and that will still open up the file, and again just click run again. It's going to come up with some security, obviously. Now if you are using like Norton or any other virus software, maybe they will actually kick in as well, and just click OK, and that will just allow an easier way of opening up the program. Okay, so click run again, and what will happen is, as you can see, it's loaded, and we are now basically downloaded Secrets of Card Magic Phase 1. So what that will ask you as well is, if you've never downloaded the course before, it will actually ask, would you like to save it as to the desktop? And what that basically means is, if you click yes, it's going to save a little file here, a little icon, and all you have to do is click yes and it saves it. Okay, now the neat thing about this is, if you click yes, instead of opening the email, clicking on the link and downloading the course again every time you want to go back to it, all you have to do is simply click on the icon and it will click run and it opens up straight away. Okay, very simple way of getting the course. Okay, right, now we're inside. Let's begin. So this is Secrets of Card Magic. Welcome to Secrets of Card Magic Phase 1. So this is the exciting part now, because we've gone through the technical stuff. This is where now you can actually freak out people, where you can actually perform the magic, sleight of hand, flourishes, wow people, and this is all inside this course right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and basically if you go to welcome, it's going to welcome you, give you a quick rundown on the magic you'll be getting, the sleight of hand you'll be getting, and the flourishes you'll be getting. Okay, so have a good read about that, and then you just simply click home, and if you go to the next one, you've got magic, and each effect has its own little description, so you can check that out as well. And then we've got the actual where you'll be learning the magic. Okay, so if we click Magic Explanations 1, here is all the videos within inside the course, and for example, it's always on the left hand side would be the performance, and on the right hand side is the explanation. So for example, if we maybe went down to the Hindu color change, you click that and it's basically going to load up, as you can see. Now depending on internet speed, obviously it depends how fast you'll get the download, or the loading up I should say. So as you can see, you can watch the actual video, and then if you're happy with it and you want to learn it, freak some people out, simply come to the next screen, click play, and it's going to have the explanations. Okay, so you really are going to have an easy way of learning the magic within Secrets of Card Magic. Okay, and it's all laid out in a nice clear way of learning. Okay, so come back to home, and then you can obviously go to the next set of videos, and obviously there's more videos in here, so as you can see. And so that's the magic bit. Then you've got the sleight of hand. If you go to the sleights, it's got a brief description of all the sleights you'll be getting. Then you've got the video underneath, and all the again, this is the performance, this is explanation. So if you click here, we've got the double undercut to the top of the pack, basically going to bring a card back to the top. So as you can see, it's loaded and plays perfectly fine. And then from this angle, we've got the double undercut explanation, and it will basically teach you from the best angle possible to learn the double undercut. Okay, now again click home, and we've got the flourishes, and obviously just kind of repeating here, but it's all the flourishes are here. And then if you go to the flourishes explanations, you've got all the videos. Okay, and again this is performance and this is explanation. So you can see if you click on the haunted display, this would be the display, and then if you click on the explanations, this is the explanation. So it's all laid out in a very easy way of following the Secrets Card Magic training videos. Okay, very simple way of learning magic. Okay, so that's pretty much Secrets Card Magic and how you can actually get the most out of it, and obviously a very easy way of learning magic. And just one last thing, we've got the terms, and that's what you obviously can't do with the course. Okay, and Secrets Card Magic. So yeah, there you go. This is Secrets Card Magic. Very simple way of learning magic. It's a great way of freaking out people. The magic on here is obviously gonna guarantee to wow anyone you show it to. And throughout the month, please learn this, and then obviously next month I'll send you phase 2. And as you go through the months, obviously the skill level is going to build, and you'll be able to really freak people out and build your own routines, build your own flourishes, create your own kind of sleight of hand as well. So that's what Secrets Card Magic is about. It's also not just learning magic, but it's also asking you to actually try and now create some stuff. Now that may sound a bit scary at first, but trust me, once you're on phase 4, you're going to have a lot of sleights under you, and you'll see a lot of different styles of magic and what you can and can't do with magic. And it's basically allows your mind to then think, okay, instead of me doing it this way, how about if I use this sleight and this colour change, and I've got a new trick. So I'm just basically giving you the complete building blocks of magic and sleight of hand and flourishes, along with the routines you can perform that obviously I perform. But the great thing about it is you can also then take the sleights and flourishes and combine your own magic, okay, and make your own magic, which is basically what magic is about. It's an art form, so you create your own art. That's pretty much everything. Here is obviously the exit if you want to close it down. If you click here, it's about us, contact, website, copyright, stuff like that. You've got your search. You can actually search on the actual phase as well. If you're looking for a particular thing, it will have a search button here. And like I say, each month I'm going to send you this along with other bonuses throughout the month as well. So certain months you'll be getting other videos as well coming to you, giving you tips, tricks and other ways of performing, or my experience that I'll be passed on to you. So with that said, enjoy the phase you're on, and look forward to teaching you very soon.